Karbi Langpi Hydroelectric Project Dam opens its switch gate due to heavy rainfall. HSA organized Interclub Football Championship 2020. Huge flood occurs at Umsuai areas. Good morning and welcome to Dailycast News. I'm Sardiming Tipi and now the stories in details. Due to incessant rainfall, the Karbi Langpi Hydroelectric Project Dam opened 5 nodes of switch gate to release the water. The incessant rainfall that lasts for 4 days started since Tuesday the Karbi Langpi Hydroelectric Project Dam to release excess water by opening of 5 nodes of switch gate. The release of excess water of Karbi Langpi Hydroelectric Project Dam create havoc in the lower stream areas Umru, Wathatlangso, Maisam, Tharayabi, Borsali, Hongkram, Longja villages. Roads were disconnected from Boithalangso to Umru Longre, Boithalangso to Amtereng, Boithalangso to Tharayabi, Boithalangso to Hongkram Longjap. Many houses were submerged in Boithalangso areas and Boithalangso Police Station, Boithalangso Basic School, Boithalangso Municipal Board Office, Boithalangso PWD Colony were also submerged. Many paddy fields were submerged and destroyed crops. The people had to take shelter on by the roadside. One old lady was washed away and drowned in the flood water while she was crossing the road. Her slipper slipped off from her leg and washed away by water. While she tried to catch her slipper, she was also washed away by the strong water force. Later, seeing the old lady drowning, the local public picked her up from the water and luckily she was alive. Report from Boithalangso correspondent Jasoning.
মানে চেণ্ডেল এটা পৰিছিলে চেণ্ডেলটো মানে ধৰিব যাওঁতে বুঢ়ীখন পানীত উঠি গৈছে গৈ তাৰপিছত ৰাইজে ধুমাধুম নামি গৈ গোচা দি পেলাই ধুনীয়াকৈ বুঢ়ীজনক আনি পেলাই উদ্ধাৰ কৰিলে তাৰমানে মৰাৰ পৰা তেখেতক উদ্ধাৰ কৰি আটা উঠাইছে আনি পেলাই
এইকেইদিন কণ্টিনিউ বৰষুণ দি আছে তেওঁলোকে যিটো প্ৰিজাৰ্ভ কৰিব 3.14 প্ৰিজাৰ্ভ কৰিব লাগে কিন্তু তাতকৈ এইবাৰ যথেষ্ট বেছি হৈছে আৰু আপুনি দেখিছে কণ্টিনিউ এইকেইদিন বৰষুণ হৈ আছে আৰু যোৱাবাৰ আমাৰ এফেক্ট হৈছিলে 30খন গাঁও কিন্তু ইতিমধ্যে 50খন গাঁও এফেক্ট হৈ আৰু কেইবাটাও ৰাস্তা ব্লক হৈ গৈছে কিন্তু আমি ইতিমধ্যে তেওঁলোকৰ লগত কৰ্তৃপক্ষৰ লগতো কাৰ্বি জলবিদ্যুৎ কৰ্তৃপক্ষৰ লগত কথা পাতিছোঁ আৰু যিহেতু পানীটো বৰষুণ কণ্টিনিউ দি থাকিলে আৰু ৰিলিজ কৰাৰ সম্ভাৱনা আছে গতিকে সেইকাৰণে আমাৰ যিমান কৰ্তৃপক্ষ আছে সবেই অলপ সাৱধানতা হ'বলৈ আমি কৈছোঁ আপোনালোকো অনুগ্ৰহ কৰি ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিছোঁ যে আপোনালোকে অলপ সাৱধানতা বাণীটো শুনায় গাঁৱলীয়া ৰাস্তা প্ৰায় 7-8টামান হৈছে আৰু আমাৰ মেইন ৰাস্তা প্ৰায় 3টামান হৈছে
In the loving memory of late Fukan Rongpi and late Kongching Timung, Hanjanglangso Sports Association organized Interclub Football Championship. The match started at 3 p.m. It was played between Kongching FC and Tinglijan Etchik Youth Club. Kongching FC beat Tinglijan Etchik Youth Club by 5-1 goal. Bogajan MLA Dr. Numal Momin attended as chief guest. The program was also attended by MSc Mukut Mahenta and Kadom Terangpi, JC Pathak and other dignitaries. Report from Hanjanglangso correspondent Vishnu Lekhe.
But spokesperson, if you say in Africa, who is Sachin Tendulkar, they will say he is a cricketer. It's like that. So that is the beauty of the game. I believe that today you will play your best game. Don't fight among yourself. Respect the game and play with the sportsman spirit. My best wishes to both the team.
Under Amri constituency, after a heavy rainfall, huge flood occurred at Umsuai areas on 25th of September 2020. As per report, continuous heavy rainfall came thrice in the area, destroyed various cultivated crop species, said the villagers. Report to our Dailycast News. Let's take a short break. Stay with us.
Langley TBS, Rongkhelan opposite of DIG Bungalow, Difu Manja Road, Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. Deals with all kinds of TVS, bikes and scooters. Accessories, spare parts as well as sales and services are available. Finances are also available. For more details, contact 6000492143.
Ingtipi Car Showroom, used car dealer at Rongchingthur near Electricity Board, Difu Manja Road, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Types of cars available are Maruti 800, Alto 800, Alto LXi, Alto K10, Maruti Zen, Maruti Swift Desire, Hyundai Eon and more. For more details, contact at 6002790080 or 7637859559. Welcome back. After suffering from cancer, legendary Karbi singer, songwriter and lyricist Joy Singh Tissot passed away on 25th of September 2020 around 2:30 p.m. He was earlier suffering from gallbladder and kidney after suffering from cancer. He composed a beautiful song Arnie Sile Arnie from Boche Kangtin album, which remains evergreen and all-time hit. Report to our telecast news. To aware more about the healthcare, medical EM of KSC, Mr. Khonsing Rongpi, inspected the ongoing construction at Bokajan Community Healthcare on 25th of September 2020. During the expertise, Bokajan MLA Dr. Numal Momin, MSc of Diopani constituency Mukut Mahanta, Amarjit Tissot, Dr. Jayanta Patar and Monir Islam were attended. Report to our telecast news. That's all for today. Keep watching Telecast News.